Good morning, students. Today we will study multiplication of fraction by a fraction. See here 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. How will you multiply this? That is multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Here we will multiply 1 into 1, that is 1, and 2 into 3, it is 6. We will get 1 upon 6. This can be written as 1 into 1 upon 2 into 3. It means 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 can be written as 1 into 1 upon 2 into 3. That is 1 upon 6. This is your answer. Now come to example 6. Sushant reads 1 upon 3 part of a book in 1 hour. How much part of this book will he read in 1 upon 5 hours? So see the solution. The part of book read by Susan in 1 hour equal to 1 upon 3. So the part of the book read by him in 1 upon 5 hours equal to 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 3. Here convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. It will be 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10 plus 1, that is 11 upon 5 into 1 upon 3. Here multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. That is 11 into 1 upon 5 into 3. You will get 11 1 is 11 and 5 3 is 15. You will get 11 upon 15. This is your answer. Now let us now find 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 3. We know that 5 upon 3 can be written as 1 upon 3 into 5. So 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 3 can be written as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 into 5. What will you get? It will be 1 into 1, it is 1, and 2 3 is 6. 1 upon 6 into 5, it is equivalent to 5 upon 6. This is your answer. Similarly, 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 7 equal to, here multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. That is 3 into 1 upon 5 into 7. So 3 into 1 it is 3 and 5 into 7 it is 35. Your answer will be 3 upon 35. So we can thus find 2 upon 3 into 7 upon 5 as 2 upon 3 into 7 upon 5 equal to multiply numerator by numerator, that is 2 into 7 upon 3 into 5. 2 7 is 14 upon 3 into 5 15. Your answer will be 14 upon 15. What we conclude from this? That we find that we multiply two fractions as product of numerators and product of denominator. Always remember this. If we have to multiply two fractions, then multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now come to exercise 2.3. See question number 1, A part. That is first part. 1 upon 4 of A, it is 1 upon 4. See the solution. Question number 1, first part. First A part. Here you have to multiply 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4 of means into. This can be written as 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. Multiply numerator by numerator, that is 1 into 1, and denominator by denominator, that is 4 into 4. This can be written as 1 into 1, that is 1 upon 4 4 is 16. This is your answer. Then B part, it is 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. This can be written as 1 upon 4 of is changed into multiplication 3 upon 5. Here multiply numerator by numerator, that is 1 into 3 upon denominator by denominator, that is 4 into 5. Multiply this 1 into 3, it is 3 upon 4 5 is 20. Your answer is 3 upon 20. Now come to C part. 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3. Here it can be written as 1 upon 4 of means into 4 upon 3. Here multiply numerator by numerator, that is 1 into 4 upon denominator by denominator, that is 4 into 3. 1 into 4, it is 4 upon 4 3 is 12. Here you can cancel these terms also. 4 1 is 4 3 is. This can be written as 1 upon 3. Now come to second part, A part. It is 1 upon 7 of 2 upon 9. This can be written as 1 upon 7 of is converted into 2 upon 9. Here multiply numerator by numerator, that is 1 into 2, and denominator by denominator, that is 7 into 9. Multiply this 1 into 2, it is 2 upon 7 9 is 63. Your answer is 2 upon 63. Then come to B part. It is 1 upon 7 of 6 upon 5. Here this can be written as 1 upon 7 into 6 upon 5. Here multiply numerator by numerator, that is 1 into 6 upon denominator by denominator, that is 7 into 5. What will you get? 1 into 6, it is 6 upon 7 5 is 35. Your answer is 6 upon 35. Now come to C part. It is 1 upon 7 of 3 upon 10. Here, this can be written as 1 upon 7 into 3 upon 10. Now multiply numerator by numerator, that is 1 into 3 upon 7 into 10. Multiply it 1 into 3, that is 3 upon 7 into 10, 70. Your answer is 3 upon 70.